Lymph nodes produce immune cells, filter lymph fluid, and remove foreign materials such as cancer cells to help fight infection. Enlargement of lymph nodes is very common and is actually a good thing. Enlarged lymph nodes mean your body's immune system is working. The most common cause of enlarged lymph nodes in the neck are infectious disease such as ENT, skin or dental infections, AIDS, and kissing disease. Other possible causes are uncommon infections such as tuberculosis, toxoplasmosis, and cat-stretch disease. Immune system disorders such as lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. Cancers such as lymphoma, leukemia, and head and neck cancers, and rarely some drugs. Enlarged lymph nodes usually return to normal on their own within 2 weeks once the underlying conditions such as an infection has healed. However, as enlarged lymph nodes may be due to the more serious problems other than infection. If you have lymphatic enlargement that grows for no apparent reason, continues to grow, is present for more than 2 weeks, and feels firm or rubbery to the touch or does not move, persistent fever, night sweats, or weight loss, you should go to the doctor.